What do you like to drink?
I like juice.
Where do you study?
I study at school.
When do you brush your teeth?
In the morning.
Why do you read books?
I enjoy stories.
How do you spell your name?
Jacklin.
Which game do you play?
I play cricket.
Who is your favorite singer?
I like Taylor Swift.
What do you do for fun?
I play games.
Where do you go with friends?
We go to the park.
How do you make a sandwich?
With bread and cheese.
When do you feel happy?
When I listen to music.
What makes you laugh?
Jokes.
Who helps you with your studies?
My teacher helps me.
Why do you like summer?
Because it's sunny.
How do you clean your room?
I use a broom.
Which is your favorite fruit?
I like apples.
Where do you keep your toys?
In a box.
When do you eat dinner?
At 7 p.m.
Who do you admire?
I admire my mom.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Why do you enjoy cooking?
It's creative.
How do you learn new words?
By reading books.
What makes you sad?
Missing friends.
When do you visit your relatives?
During holidays.
Where do you go shopping?
I go to the mall.
What do you collect?
I collect stickers.
Who is your hero?
My dad.
Why do you like dancing?
It's fun.
How do you decorate your room?
With posters.
Where do you eat lunch at school?
In the cafeteria.
When do you take the bus?
Every morning.
What do you like to draw?
I like drawing animals.
Why do you like reading?
It's interesting.
How do you organize your desk?
I keep it neat.
Which is your favorite book?
Harry Potter.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My math teacher.
When do you play with your dog?
After school.
What games do you play?
I play board games.
How do you celebrate your birthday?
With friends.
Where do you put your school bag?
On the chair.
Why do you enjoy traveling?
I see new places.
Who is your favorite actor?
I like Tom Holland.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a jacket.
When do you do homework?
After school.
Where do you keep your shoes?
In the closet.
What do you write in your journal?
My thoughts.
How do you relax?
By listening to music.
Who is your favorite cartoon character?
I like SpongeBob.
Why do you play sports?
To stay active.
When do you go to bed?
At 11 p.m.
Where do you like to eat out?
At a pizza place.
What do you enjoy watching on TV?
Cartoons.
How do you practice guitar?
By playing songs.
Which animal do you love?
I love dogs.
When do you go on trips?
During vacations.
Why do you enjoy puzzles?
They are fun.
Where do you sit in class?
Near the front.
How do you travel to other cities?
By car.
Who makes the best cookies?
My mom.
What movie do you like?
Spider-Man.
Where do you see animals?
At the zoo.
How often do you draw?
Almost every day.
When do you feel sleepy?
At night.
Who helps you in sports?
My coach.
What do you bring to school?
My backpack.
How do you stay healthy?
By exercising.
Where do you go for walks?
In the park.
When do you see your friends?
On weekends.
Why do you use a planner?
To stay organized.
Who is your favorite superhero?
I like Spider-Man.
How do you make friends?
By talking to them.
What do you take to school?
My lunchbox.
Why do you like school?
I learn new things.
Where do you read books?
At the library.
When do you play board games?
In the evening.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m.